Hi folks, this is Beginning Algebra Quiz 5. We're asked to solve for x in a variety of different equations. And this first equation has fractions in it, and so one thing we can do to eliminate the fractions is multiply by a common multiple of 2 and 5. And the least common multiple of 2 and 5 is 10. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 10 to wipe out those fractions. Now on the left-hand side, I'm going to have to use the distributive property. So I get 10 times x divided by 5 minus 10 times 2. On the left-hand side, I can go ahead and multiply. 10 is 10 over 1. I can cancel 2 out for a 1, 5 up there, and I get 15x. Now on the left-hand side, I can do the same thing. 5 cancels out to 1 twice. So I have 2x minus 20 is 15x. Now I need to get all the x's on one side and everything else on the other. I can accomplish that a couple different ways. I'll go ahead and subtract 2x from both sides. So 2x minus 2x is 0. 0 minus 20 is negative 20. Equals 15x minus 2x, 13x. Divide by 13. And so I get x is equal to negative 20 over 13. And that'll do it for 1a. One B is an even more complicated equation involving fractions. To wipe out the fractions from the get-go, I need a common multiple of 12, 3, and 6. 12 will actually work just fine. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 12. On the left-hand side, I need to use my distributive property. So I have 12 times 1/12 minus 12 times x minus 2 over 3. On the right-hand side, I can go ahead and multiply. I have 12 over 1 times this. 6 can cancel out 1. 6 goes into 12 2 times. So I have 2 times the quantity, 5x minus 1. On the left-hand side now, I can multiply. These cancel out, and I get a 1 minus 12 over 1 cancels. 4 times the quantity, x minus 2. This is equal to, distribute here, that's 10x minus 2, so using distributive property. Now to continue with this problem, I need to use the distributive property again to clear these parentheses, and we have to be careful. So once again, if to avoid making a common mistake here, we can change this to 1 plus negative 4 times x minus 2. And so I use the distributive property now. It's 1 plus negative 4x minus negative 8. When I simplify this, I get 1 minus 4x plus 8. That's equal to 10x minus 2. The 1 and the 8 gives me 9. 9 minus 4x is 10x minus 2. Get all the x's on one side, everything else on the other. I'll add 4x to both sides. Minus 4x plus 4x is 0. 9 minus 0 is 0. So I get 9 equals 10x plus 4x is 14x minus 2. Add 2 to both sides. 9 and 2 is 11. 11 equals 14x. And for the grand finale, I divide by 14. I get x equals 11/14. And that'll do it for Part B, and that'll do it for Quiz 5.